We would like to give a special thanks to Epoch for inviting us to this event. I'm Froggy.
And I'm Little Froggy.
We are in New York to go to tea with Calico Critters.
Yay!
That's right. Calico Critters has a whole new collection about city life. We're talking boutiques for lots of shopping
And public transportation.
What time is it?
It's 5 to 2.
It's almost time for tea. We're gonna be late. Belle and her family, you know they live in the village, right? Well, her older sister Stella moved to town and to become a fashion designer, and she lives above her studio.
The tea is exceptionally good today.
This is so cool. The little town is absolutely amazing. There are all these different little buildings. I see restaurants. I see a gelato place. You really gotta check this out. Details. Those gotta be the smallest macarons I have ever seen. Look at the little tiny teacup and chocolates. It almost makes me want to eat chocolate again. Almost. The Grand Department Store. I am just super impressed with all of the trimming and the molding, the architecture, the doors, the windows. Wow! This is absolutely fabulous. I totally understand why Stella moved to town. And on the inside, there is so many more areas to play. Love the piano. Stella sent us home with a few goodies, like the Calico Critters Town Designer Studio for ages 3 and up, the Dress Up Duo set, and from the Town Girl series, the Toy Poodle Laura and the Silk Cat Lulu. Here is Stella in the designer studio. On the side of the box, you can see all items included. On the back, it says, "Welcome to the town where everyone goes to enjoy a day of shopping and fun." Beautiful buildings and sparkling cobblestone paths make this a special place. Take a ride on the tram to shop in all of the stylish stores and eat delicious foods in the restaurants. There's always exciting things to see and do. Stella works in town and designs beautiful dresses. She knows that everyone loves flowers and birthstones, so she uses those in her designs so every customer can find a dress that suits them perfectly. She always thinks, "I want everyone to feel pretty and enjoy wearing my dresses." Stella's dresses are sold in the dress shop at the department store and everybody loves them. And Stella is Belle Hopscotch Rabbit's older sister. Let's get this out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, the shop is a pale lavender with a cream trim. Lots of details. It's beautifully sculpted. There are ornate double doors in the front that open. On the inside, there is a tile floor and molding. There is a burgundy chaise lounge, a coffee table, a saucer, teacup, plate, strawberry tart, and a fork. They are architectural details that can be added to the shop and close off spaces. There is a miniature storybook included titled Stella's Fashion Show. That is a real storybook. Stella is wearing a pink and purple dress. It has a white collar, ribbon around the waist, and a gem at the hip. The skirt has white stripes and lace at the bottom. She comes with a hat and a purse. Stella's Town Girl series look. Stella's Town Girl series look is a seafoam green and navy blue dress with a felt beret, gold ribbon with a blue gemmed brooch at the hip, lace at the bottom of the skirt, and a gold rose purse. So stylish! Stella's mom and sister Belle are also looking quite elegant, with satin dresses, jewels, hats, and handbags. This little bag is too cute. Look at those details. Lulu's Silk Cat is looking fabulous in lavender with yellow details. She is a makeup artist at the department store. And Laura Toy Poodle is a chocolatier. She has on a delicate pink layered dress with a gold handbag. All of their fashion can be removed. They Velcro in the back, so you can change their look whenever you like. And check this out. The play sets are stackable, so you can build your own town. The Calico Critter Town series is available now. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the Calico Critters Town series. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!